Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a palladium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the lane keep assist and active blind spot assist. Brown eucalyptus wood trim, premium one package with memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 60,291 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.